All right, for today's painting, we'll learn how to paint a harmonica.
So the question of the day is, where does the harmonica come from?
All right, let's run through the colors.
Cad yellow, primary yellow, quin red, pearly red dark, pearly orange, ultramarine blue, quin blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black.
Harmonica, we got to fill in this red and blue, make that a lot more solid. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with those kind of primary colors. It needs to be a little bit more contrast. Fill in the wood. Proportion wise is fine. Just make sure this looks shiny, so it's more contrast between white, very light gray, dark, very dark brown, dark black, and then the pure black. So just pure white and black on the extreme, and then in between this kind of very light gray and a very dark gray.
So in 1821, I think this guy called Ludwig something, he invented the harmonica. But there was also earlier precursors to the harmonica that were reed instruments dating all the way back to China. So there's definitely kind of an assorted history there. But basically 1820s, they've developed this. It was played originally in classical music, which I was surprised. And then of course, it's better known nowadays to be in kind of bluegrass, a little bit in country and blues music. So that's kind of the history of the harmonica. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So here we have the harmonica, add kind of a blue-black on top of the original or ultramarine blue. And the red is kind of a little bit lighter, so that has a lot of light to dark. I added in the black notes where you would actually play and just touched up a little bit. Overall, I think it's a decent depiction of a harmonica. It's very challenging with those little individual notes to get them really precise. My style isn't super precise, so that is a challenge. I do more precise work in my architectural abstraction than my realism style. But overall, I like it. I think it reads pretty well. The blue is a really nice, rich blue. You can still see some of the brush strokes. Blue does have that tendency to have kind of a lighter brush stroke to it. It's not as opaque as I would say. It's more kind of a translucent color, so it's sometimes you have to put a lot of layers of blue to get what you want. I could add another layer of blue, but I think it reads fine. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. I like it. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.